Ovarian cyst is a sac filled with fluid in your ovary. Today we are going to talk about the signs and symptoms of this ovarian cyst. What are the things you will notice or see in your body for you to suspect that you have this ovarian cyst? Now, I use the word suspect because you actually need to go to the hospital for a proper diagnosis. Now, let's get into it. The first signs and symptoms of this ovarian cyst is bloating or fullness. You will feel this heaviness or fullness in your abdomen, okay? Pressure, you feel pressure in your abdomen, okay? That is bloating or fullness. That's the first sign. The second sign is irregular menstrual cycle. You're going to have irregular period, light or heavy period, or even spotting in between your periods, okay? Another one is painful sex. You're going to have experience painful sex, especially during deep penetration. It's going to be very, very painful. The fourth one is pain during bowel movement or urination. This happens especially if the cyst is resting on the bladder or rectum, okay? It happens, you will feel pain, okay, during urination or when you're going to the toilet. Then the fifth one is difficulty emptying your bladder, okay? You have frequent urination or difficulty emptying your bladder. This is caused by a large cyst, okay, pressing on the bladder. Another sign and symptoms of this cyst is pelvic pain. Pelvic pain is real, dull or sharp pain in one side of the lower abdomen. This is due to the size of the cyst. The rupture, the way the cyst ruptured, or the twisting of the cyst, okay, this is what causes this pelvic pain. Another sign and symptoms of this cyst is nausea and vomiting. This is often linked to the cyst rupture or torsion. Another one is breast tenderness, okay, this is related to the hormonal changes, okay, related to the cyst. Another one is fever, okay, you might have fever, okay, if the cyst becomes infected or ruptures, okay, you might have, this does not occur in everybody, okay, but you might have fever. The last but not the least is unexplained weight gain, okay, you start gaining weight, okay, without knowing why you're gaining weight, okay. So if you notice one or two symptoms in your body, all these that I've just explained now, if you notice any one, okay, please just go to the hospital, go and meet your doctor, okay, let him do the diagnosis properly. Remember, self-medication is not good, okay, because you can harm yourself. If you have gained value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay, and share this video so as many people as possible we are going to see on our next video. See you.